everybody, this is Miss McClellan here to go over practice 1.3.4, the triangle inequality view. The first problem is one where we use the triangle inequality to state if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so as a reminder, the triangle quality is a plus b greater than c, a plus c greater than b, b plus c greater than a. And if all three statements are true, where a, b, and c are potential side lengths, then we've got a triangle, or we've got sides that could come together and make one. All right, so here we have sides 6, 6, and 5. 6 plus 6 is 12, which indeed is greater than 5. Very, very good. 6 plus 5 is greater than 6. Very, very good. And you could stop now, but if you want to see all three, even though the second and third are the same, then we check this last one. 6 plus 5 greater than 6. Very, very good. This can form a triangle. I know, because the lengths satisfy the triangle inequality. Okay. Another set of side lengths. 7 plus 2 is indeed greater than 5, so we're off to a good start. 7 plus 5 is indeed greater than 2. Still doing well. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 is not greater than itself, so these can not form a triangle. I know, because they fail to satisfy the triangle inequality. Okay, 3 more sides. I've got 3 plus 10, that's greater than 7, which is good. I've got 3 plus 7, well, that equals 10, and 10 is not greater than itself, so these cannot form a triangle. I know, because they fail to satisfy the triangle inequality. Period. Moving on. 2, 8, and 5. Okay, I can already see. 5 plus 2 is 7, which is not greater than 8. So these three can not form a triangle. I know, because they fail to satisfy the triangle inequality. Okay, now we have two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. All right, well, the difference of the first two, 5 minus 4, is 1, and their sum, 5 plus 4, is 9. This third side must be between those values, but not including those values. So I have 1 is less than the third side length, which is less than 9. 1, 3, and what else? Well, the difference of the first two side lengths is 2, and the sum of the first two side lengths is 4. My question mark, the third side, can be anything between the numbers 2 and 4. You might be tempted to say that the question mark must be 3, but, for example, 2.1 would satisfy this condition. So, anything between 2 and 4, but not including 2 and 4. Okay. Again, same question, trying to find the range of possible values for this question mark. The difference of the first two is 7, and the sum is 11, and those are the numbers I need to form my answer. 7 is less than my question mark, which is less than 11. All right, same setup. My question mark will be greater than the difference of the first two and less than the sum of the first two. 38 minus 25 is 13, and 38 plus 25 is 63. Just a couple more here. The difference of the first two should be less than my question mark, which should be less than the sum of the first two. Okay, the difference, 40 minus 28 is 12, and 40 plus 28 is 68, and there's my inequality. 12 is less than the length of the third side, which is less than 68. Just a few more. Can you fill these values in? Question mark in the middle. All right, I'll have to do 45 minus 40, which is 5, and I'll have to do 45 plus 40, which is 85. 5 is less than question mark is less than 80. Okay. Let's set up. Something is going to be less than the question mark, which is going to be less than some other value. I've got 50 minus 33, which is 17. And I've got 50 plus 33, which is 83. Boom. Last one. Something is less than the question mark, which is less than another value. I've got 44 minus 31, which is 13. And I've got 44 plus 31, which is 75. 13 is less than my question mark, which is less than 75. Thanks for following along. Hope you have a great day.